Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to be creating a terrarium using one of our DIY kits. Now this is a really eco-friendly design and it's really on trend. It combines all the benefits that plants offer with a striking geometric metal and glass container to create a really low maintenance and long-lasting arrangement. It would grace any decor and it really adds like a quirky vibe to your interior. So it's more cost effective than cut flowers. It comes in kit form consisting of 2 terrariums, so perfect for you to keep one and give one away. A really perfect solution to that present conundrum. And it is available in 2 different sizes. So in the kit you get your 2 terrariums, you get some decorative stones, some suitable potting compost, most importantly of all, some echevera plants and some moss. Now you might find that it's quite useful to have a pair of scissors to hand and also maybe some small tools or something to help you plant up. So enjoy! So I hope that's inspired you, but for lots more kits and present inspiration, visit our website. That's www.trianglenursery.co.uk. And as always, I have some top tips for you. So, top tip number 1, you could, if you wanted to, use activated charcoal in these kits. It just does help to fight bacteria, but that is a personal choice and it's optional. Top tip number 2, water approximately every 2 weeks, or if it's fairly obvious that they're starting to dry out a little bit. Top tip number 3, place in a brightly lit environment, but ideally away from direct sunlight. Top tip number 4, I would strongly recommend that you start working from the back using the largest plants first. It's really difficult to reach over already planted plants, especially when space is very confined. So head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe for lots more tips and inspirational seasonal ideas, and also like us and share us, and do please comment in the box below because we love to get your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.